Hello, my name is Steve Wayne. I'm the Assistant Director of Employer Relations at Miami Regionals, Career Services, and Professional Development. Today I'd like to give you a quick overview of Handshake. You all have a Handshake account, and I'd like to just show you some things that you can do in Handshake. It's a very powerful tool for you to use. This is the home page in Handshake, miamioh.joinhandshake.com. And when you get to the home page, you'll see a number of white tiles in the middle of the screen. I'd like to highlight a couple of these tiles for you today and just show you the power of Handshake. Let's look at the jobs tile, the first one here. Let's say you're looking for an internship. Go into Handshake, click on the jobs tile, and then this screen will come up. You can search for jobs. Let's say we want to look for internships. And let's say we're looking for a sales internship. Type in sales in the search box, and it will narrow down the field to sales internships for you. Let's say you want to limit the location. There's a filter for location. You can click on that. Type in the city that you're wanting to center on. Let's type in Westchester, Ohio. There it is. Click the Westchester box, and then this sliding tool, you can narrow it down. Let's say you want something within 20 miles of Westchester. So now Handshake has narrowed down the field to sales internships within 20 miles of Westchester, Ohio. They're all listed here on the left. And if you see one that interests you, you can click on it and find out more about it. So let's say I'm interested in this one, Hinkle, sales internship for fall of 21. Over here on the right, it gives you much more information and how to apply. So it can be a very good tool for you to use here. Let's go back to the home page for a second. Other tiles here, you can do research on employers, find out more about companies you're interested in. There's a community tile. You can talk to alums and other students about their experiences looking for jobs. You can explore different career paths, find out more about average salaries in that industry. And here's an events tile. I wanted to point this one out as well. If you click on the events tile, and let's say you're looking for career fairs, click on the career fair button, and then all of the career fairs will come up. And then if you see one you're interested in, you can click on it. It'll take you directly to that registration page. So here's a Virtual Career and Internship Fair, March 16th, with the registration button right here for you. So it's very easy to use. It even shows the companies that have registered so far. Let's go back to the home screen for a minute. I also wanted to point out the Career Center tile for you. Here is where you would schedule an appointment to see one of the advisors here in Career Services. Schedule a new appointment, and then you can set it up, pick a time on your calendar that works, and go from there. Also, if you go back to the Career Center page, you can request experiences. So if you're doing an internship and you'd like to try and obtain college credit for that internship, you can request that here by requesting an experience and filling out the information. And let's go back to the Career Center page for a second. And there's some contact information as well. Okay. I also wanted to show you real quick our website for career services and professional development here at Miami Regionals. And it's simply miamioh.edu/regionals/student-life/career services. You'll find a lot of information on here. You can also schedule an appointment with us through our website as well. I think that's it for now. Thank you very much. Have a great day.